How do you find great product ideas to sell on Amazon here in Australia? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you a very simple strategy and a really great product category too to help you find all the products that you would need to sell on Amazon here in Australia. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you figure out what to sell on Amazon, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I will know that you want more information just like this. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you've got any questions or comments, comment below and I'll answer it personally for you. Something I get asked about all the time is how do I come up with great ideas for products to sell? And so I thought it'd be kind of neat to show you some stuff. This is one of the ways. Well, you know, somebody says, wouldn't it be good if it was spelled in? I love the fact that it's spelled incorrectly because we all know that masturbation makes you go blind. And so that's why it's spelled incorrectly. I'm getting all sidetracked and you're messing with my brain, you're messing with my head. So I use this all the time, not the masturbation products, the actual merchant words, emerging trends things. I use this all the time to go look for emerging ideas and stuff like that. I spend a ludicrous amount of time checking this out and just seeing what's on the move, seeing what's happening, okay? And you can get some really great ideas from this that you can then take to go check out whether those products are available in Australia, for instance, which is what I do use it for. And I use it, so I look it for ideas, and then not that I am looking to private label those products. I don't get that's really the best utilization of it. For me personally, I think you're much better off, especially nowadays, just wholesaling this kind of product just to make some fast cash, okay? So if I was looking to make some fast cash, this is a really cool way of doing that, getting ideas for products, finding a wholesaler in Australia, and then getting them onto Amazon and just taking advantage of the current state of market, okay? Because it takes 90 days to private label product. And by the time you've got it all sorted, the opportunity could have gone. Anyway, so for wholesale though, super cool. You might not want to give Merchant Words any money, and cool, I can understand that. So you can actually do exactly the same thing on Amazon. So on Amazon, we've got, let's have a look over here under all, movers and shakers. So the movers and shakers is where Merchant Words, part of the data that they use for this emerging trends, they take from here, movers and shakers. Okay, so, and this is free. So you can get some good quality information directly from Amazon for products to sell wholesale into Australia. So let's click on it, movers and shakers. So here we are. And so this is, as you can see, its biggest gainers in sales rank, which is BSR, of course, we can also call it that, over the past 24 hours. And this is updated every hour. Okay, so it does not mean that these are the best selling products. It doesn't mean that. So we've already done BSR this evening. It doesn't mean that. It means that they've had the fastest growth relative to other products over that 24-hour period, and indeed over a 1-hour period. Okay, that's what it means. So it's a different kind of things. It's not the most selling products, it's the fastest emerging product on a given category. Okay, so you can go in and look at some ideas here. There's heaps of different things you can go check out. Let's go check out something over here. What's this? In automotive. Okay, so how I use it is I'm just looking for interesting ideas. I'm looking for things where I go, oh, I'd never ever thought to sell that before. Things which I just go, how does that exist? And I don't know it. So cleaning goop, that looks like slime, which my daughter Isabella used to be obsessed with. Cleaning goop for cars. I didn't know that existed. That's something new. I'd go and do some research on that. Specifically, I'm looking on Amazon.com, movers and shakers. What I do is I go to Amazon.com.au and see what traction there is, see if anybody's selling it on there, and see who I'm competing against, okay? Student driver things, that's interesting. People now looking to be start their driving lessons again. All right, well, let's go look on amazon.com.au. What's it called again? Hanging car interior accessories. Let's just do swinging duck. Oop, good if I could spell. Don't.
Are you sure that's the right thing to be asking for, Neil?
I'm not. No, I'm not, Maddie. I don't know what the correct search term is. So
I'm just thinking what a swinging duck could be.
You are just rude. I tell you, you folks, it's just gutter with you guys.
Don't worry, I won't join into Inner Circle this week. I'll be down at my nature retreat.
The swinging duck. Oh my goodness. I'm sure I'm blushing. Oh my God. Anyway, thank you for that, Maddie. Bloody hell. Swinging ducks, swinging duckies. But they're here. They're here. And listen, what I'm looking for is this. Why is that swinging duck there on page 1 in position 1 when it's got 0 reviews? Why is it there? Well, what that tells us is it's a product that is making sales despite the fact it hasn't got any reviews. Now they, of course, are great products to wholesale because you can just get them on and start selling without that launch process, okay? And there's only one, let's just check. So I'm in Bondi Junction. I was just checking to make sure that I've got an Aussie address in there. There's only one PPC ad running. So that's kind of interesting. They're all at around that $26 kind of mark. Oh, that's 64. Surely that's not $64. That's insane. So that's kind of an interesting thing. And so now I'm thinking, well, you know, I could wholesale that. I could run some PPC because I'm competing against nobody. I could charge a much better price. There's an opportunity right there. Okay, so that's maybe not a brilliant example, but it's certainly an interesting example. And importantly for me, I find that sometimes I am almost blind to other product ideas that are out there. I get quite myopic in what I am personally interested in. Part and parcel of my makeup is that I just kind of zoom in on shit and that's all I'm kind of interested in. It's really myopic. So it gives you a way of exploring and looking at other things. And, you know, that's a cool thing to sell. That's a cool thing to, and I mean, even the hero image is kind of interesting, don't you reckon? So, yeah. Shipping costs, $8.05. Free shipping here, $7.55. Where's that being shipped from, I wonder, for $7.55? Sold by Amazon US. Okay, so that's actually coming from Amazon in the US of A. Well, that's interesting, because now if I have free shipping, I could do something very, very interesting. Don't you reckon? So anyway, that's how I use it. It's a really cool thing to do. And there's heaps of these. I mean, we looked at one, but there's, you know, there's heaps of them. There's heaps of them. We could have gone checked on. We're only on the first page. You're just getting ideas and then you just go a little bit of research. Heaps of great wholesalers in Australia where you can get all sorts of crazy stuff from. Fast to get it onto Amazon. Bada boom, bada bing, you're in the market. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. There's over 2,500 of us here in Australia from all different walks of life with sales on Amazon of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and see how we can help you, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au and you'll find out just how much we can help you grow your Amazon business. Till then, see you on the inside. Bye.